Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Maziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. In this video, I want to respond to a comment. Someone in the comment had asked me to teach about trimming of numbers. Umuphupha number kuchazani. Numbers are a form of language. Numbers are a language and a spiritual language because of uyakwazi ukuphupha number kanti those numbers have a specific message. So kuyahluka ke kunabantu who specialize in this language, abantu abazi numerology, abazi ukuthi makutholakala inumber so kuba kanje makutholakala inumber so kuba kanje. But for me as umuntu okholekayo who's gifted in prayer, I do also dream about numbers, or even ngiphuphe ngitshelwa ngenamba ukuthi the number 9, or kufika umuntu athi nge9. So how do I respond to that kind of communication? Mina ngumuntu omkhuleko. What I just normally do, I because of ngumuntu osebenzisa iBhayibheli, I would always go to books that I've been studying for that particular week. Maybe ngiyobheka chapter 9, mhlawumbe ngiyobheka Psalms 9, and mangithi ngibheka Psalms 9, mangithi ngiyamfunda ucommunicator. It's the message engiyitholayo kwa Psalms 9. It's a message that I literally wanted to hear. But mina ngivukele ekuseni, I wouldn't just open my Bible and go to Psalms 9. No, I was informed via a vision ukuthi 9. So they know what, oh, since I found the Bible, because of God sees everything. God sees what's happening in the dark. God sees what's happening in the light. God sees what's happening inside of you. So if he needs to communicate with you, he will communicate with you in different ways, even in numbers. Uzothuthi ubheka ifoni yakho ubona the same digits, utubheka iwashi same digits, uthi uyahamba, you'll be getting, if umuntu or outdoors or ongaphandle exploring nature or emsebenzini, you will see things that will be a highlight as those highlights. But with numbers, if you really want to know more about numbers, feel free to go and read on numerology, because abantu bakudala, when they dream of numbers, mina ngazi ngesalukwazi sami besivele sambe siyodlala umchina, besivele nje sizihambele siyozidlalela umchina bese sibambe bese kuba mnandi ke ekhaya asisherele imali asipha ama-5 rand, and would all be happy and go and buy whatever sweets that we want. So to the person who has asked, numbers are a communication. You need to reflect and ask yourself, okay, I'm given this number, what could it mean? You can research about the number, look it up, continue to pray. If ufana nami usebenzisa iBhayibheli, you can go through the Bible and read, and trust me, you will get the message. Or sometimes you are given a number, and on that particular number, that specific day, thola ukuthi yizo i9, uthole indaba ezinhle, or uthole some information, or kwenzakale something, and then mase uhleli one reflect, you be like, I was told about this, I was told about this, I was told about that, because of a lot of things start happening in the spirit before they manifest in the physical. Thina la inyameni silindile nje, kodwa yonke impilo yethu siyiboniswa ngamaphupho, and yonke into iyayenzakala ngokukamoya. Just because of awukakayiboni ifike ezandleni zakho, ucabanga ukuthi ayingeke ifike, izofika at the right time. Thank you so much for this question. Akube ubumbano nozwana nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.